Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ty, in case you're new here. Hi, thank you so much for coming to my channel to watch my video. I really appreciate you. Nice to have you here. And if you like what you see, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell, and leave me a comment so that I know you're here. I do videos about beauty, lifestyle, recovery from alopecia, and interesting things that you would definitely enjoy if you're here to watch this video. So I have other videos, so please watch them too. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. You know, I appreciate you so much. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for coming to my channel. So guys, I'm going to be talking today about how to apply highlights. I've been asked questions about how I make it blend such that it's there, but you can see it, but it doesn't really, there are no sharp lines, you know. It's really easy to do actually. You just have to apply a little at a time. You know, and what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to show you the highlighter that I really love, that I used, and I can't find it anymore. I used the highlighter for 5 or 6 years, I think. It was the only one I was using most of the time, except once in a while I just try something different. But Becca Parisian Lights, that highlighter was so fantastic. I'm going to show you one of my videos that I made on that highlighter, and it was really nice. I used it for so many years, and even when it broke, it was in powdery form, I used it. Now I don't know what's happening. You like something, you never find it, you can't get it to buy anymore. I don't even think Becca exists anymore. I don't know if they're still producing products, but it was it had a picture of the Eiffel Tower and the lights and all that. Really nice. I actually really adored that. I really liked that highlight, and I like the fact that it was a duochrome, so when you use it, it actually looks as if it's it looks a different color from what it actually is when you put it on. And I think different skin tones have different it looks different on different skin tones. So on me it looked golden, and as you can see, I used it, and it really, initially I put too much, and that was not the correct brush to use for that highlighter, because it was a small brush. You need to use something that's a bit fluffy so that you don't pick up too much product, which is what I did with that brush. So at that stage I was still just getting to understand my makeup game, but now I think I know what brushes work for what. So yeah, so guys, yeah, let's watch the video and just see it. Yeah, so anyway guys, yeah, that was the highlighter I used to use, but now they don't have it anymore. And I don't really like highlighters that are golden, that you put on and then it's gold. I mean, it's gold from the package and then it's just gold when you put it on. It doesn't really blend well with my skin, you know. It actually stands out as highlighter. So I did see another one a few days ago. I saw this one in this Milani highlighter, and I know that Milani has been around for a while, and this highlighter looked a bit similar to my Parisian Lights, but when I saw it in the store, but when I go home and I watched my video, I didn't think they're the same whatsoever. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna make it work. So it's called the Milani 130. Make this upside down. Yeah, so that's it, guys. You can see it. 130 Rosa Italiana Baked Highlighter. Let's see what it is. I've tried it, and yeah, I just have to know how to use it, because doesn't blend in as much as the other one. But yeah, so this is me just taking some, and this one is actually quite, it doesn't go onto your brush easily, so you might think that you're not taking a lot, and then you just find out that you're taking more than you should actually. So I'm going to be looking at the mirror here and then see. I don't know if you can see. So that's how I apply my highlights, that it doesn't look too much. I'm still going to blend it in. Let's do the other side. I'll blend it in with a brush that. So this is where you do your highlights. Just a little bit above your cheekbones, and then I always go up a little bit above my brows as well. So I just apply a little at a time. This baked highlighter is actually good because you can't really pick up as much product as I did in the other one, you know, the video I just showed you. So that one I ended up picking up quite a bit of product. When this one you can't do that because it's maybe because it's baked or something, I don't know. It doesn't go on the brush easily. So now I'm going to blend that in. So that is the amount of highlight I would put on. So it's not too much. It doesn't really have to be yo. That's not an English word. It doesn't really have to be too much. It doesn't have to be shining and be glowing and all that. All right then. Okay, let's see. I'm sure you understand what I mean. Yeah. So that would be the amount I would put on. If I was going for a party, maybe a little bit more. I might use something else. But yeah, I think it actually, I can see that it's not Parisian lights. I really love that highlight. I don't know why. I just love it so much. So now, guys, I'm going to use my highlights. I'm going to use my bronzer just to bring in a little bit of more color on my cheeks. And I know people are now using some kind of one that you just put liquid blush, but guys, I still have my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter that I bought some years ago, and it works for me. So this is what I'm using. Very soon there will be the one that you will spray on, you know. Makeup keeps changing every time. They will also have the blush that you spray on, you know. So you can't keep buying new things. I can't anyway. See, I've hardly even touched this other one, you know. Guys, let me know if you throw away your makeup after a year or two, because this one, I think I've had it for about 3 or 4 years. So long as it doesn't react on my skin, I'm fine. I won't use it on anybody else, but if it works well for me, fine. So let's see, which of these colors should I use? Probably use the orange. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know, this highlight, it's okay. It's okay. You can see I have highlight on. Yeah, okay, let's use the orange. So this one goes on easy. Smile a bit, just above the cheekbones. I honestly don't like too much blush. I think it looks a bit like 1950s kind of thing when you put on too much blush. Now they used to do it before that everywhere would just be red and you just be wondering, did somebody slap this person on her cheeks or what? You know, so anyway, that color doesn't seem to be working that much. So I'm going to use the next one, this shade. Yeah, okay. Okay, so now it's reacting with my highlighter, and I think it's, okay, no, that didn't work out. That didn't come out the way I wanted it, so I'm gonna rub it in with my arm, hands, fingers. Yeah, but when you look, you can see that I've got blush on. It doesn't have to be too much. I don't really like too much blush, as I said earlier, but yeah. So that's how I would use my blush. But I'll still do another video showing you blush properly, because I don't know if this one really helped. But yeah, at least the highlighter did. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section what you think. And I'm wearing my Charlotte Tilbury highlighter, which I showed in my last video. This one, if you haven't seen that video, go and watch it. I'm going to link it in the description box. I like it. I think it's nice. I don't know if it's worth the price, but yeah, they said it does a lot of things, and well, maybe. But I use serum as well anyway, so I'm not going to really know if that's the highlighter that is making my skin look glowy and all that. But yeah, nice. I think I'm going to end it here now. Let me know what you think about this highlighter compared to the Parisian lights. Which one do you prefer? And also let me know what you think about liquid blush, and if you have any, if you know any cheap ones you can recommend, maybe drugstore ones. I can try them, but I don't know. I don't really know. Yeah, I think my daughter has some anyway. I'll probably ask her to let me use some of hers and see what it's like. But yeah, just stick to what you know. Stick to what you're comfortable with. I'm comfortable using powder blush for now, and or pressed blush, I think that's what they'll call it. Anyway, guys, let's call it a day now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support on my videos. I'm going to be doing more makeup videos, hair videos. I think that's what people like to watch, so that's why I've gone back to it now. And since I get a lot of questions, as I said in my last video, I'm trying to help people as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.